All right, open my sketchbook to a clear page. Okay, I'm going to skip a page beyond here just so I have it. Now, I want to turn my sketchbook horizontally. All right, and I'm going to use, if I have the envelope, all right, let's get this thing to focus here. Okay, if I have my envelope, I'm going to use the envelope horizontally. If I don't have an envelope, what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold a piece of copy paper into thirds. All right, so real quick, if you don't have an envelope, here's how you fold a piece of paper into thirds. Just the definition should give you an idea as to how to do it. All right, I just rolled the paper up, and then I found where the curve edge is here, and I tried to make it as even as possible, like that. And then I just work it from the middle out. Okay, that folds a piece of paper into thirds. Now, I'm either going to use the piece of paper or the ruler. You notice they're similar in size. Okay, obviously the paper is going to be a little bit smaller. So if I'm using the envelope, I'm just going to use the envelope. I'm going to center it on my sketchbook. And then I'm going to trace the outline. So I'm leaving space at the top and bottom, left and right. And then trace the outline of your envelope or your folded piece of paper. All right, we're just using it as a stencil. All right, everybody go ahead and do this. Keep your pencil tracing light as possible too. All right, now I'm going to take my straight edge and I'm going to line it up corner to corner so that I can see the corner from the edge. Super light line. So I hold my pencil all the way at the back. Super light line. Go corner to corner. Repeat that step on the opposite corner. Light line. All right, that gives me the center of that rectangle. Trace the rectangle first. There you go. Now I need to divide the rectangle 2 more times. First dividing, I'm going to line up the top edge of my square even with the rectangle, and I want it so that I can just see the X that I drew where the crisscross lines go from corner to corner. So I'm going to move it in so it's right up against that corner. Right, there's the corner there, and it's flat along the line of the top of the rectangle. Then a super light line top to bottom, like that, so it splits the X in the middle. And then repeat the step. Line it up square on the left-hand side or right-hand side. Find the middle. Draw a line through. Light pencil line all the way through. And that is going to give us a 8-part wedge grid that we're going to use to draw our contour lines for our animal eyes project.